Okay children, come to question number 8 now. A force of 10 Newton acts on a body of mass 2 kg. So F is 10 Newton, mass 2 kg, time 3 second, initially at rest. It means U equal to 0. Now what have been asked? The velocity acquired by the body. It means we have to find V. Okay, so first of all we have to find out the value of A. We will apply the formula of Newton's second law of motion. F equals to ma. 10 equals to 2 into A, or you can write A equals to 10 upon 2 equals to 5 meter per second square. Now we have to find out the value of V. So what is the first equation of motion? V equals to U plus AT. V we have to find out. U is 0, acceleration is 5 and time is 3. So it will be 0 plus 15, or you can say 15 meter per second. This is the answer of first part. Now what they are asking in second part? Change in momentum. So change in momentum, how we will solve this? Second part, change in momentum. So what formula I told you earlier? mv final momentum minus mu initial momentum. So m is coming common, so v minus u. Now put the values. M equals to, what was m? 2 kg. So 2, v is 15, u is 0, so is coming 2 into 15, or you can write 30 kilogram meter per second. So question number 8 is solved now. Now come to question number 9. A bullet of mass 50 gram. So M equals to 50 gram. U equals to 100 meter per second. Strike a wooden block and comes to rest. Come to rest means V is equals to 0 after penetrating a distance. How much distance? 2 centimeter. So this also we have to convert into meter later on. Calculate initial momentum. First part. Now initial momentum, when they are asking, initial momentum, so you will write m into u. So 50 upon 1000 into 100, so it will be 5 kilogram meter per second. Now in second part, what they are asking? Final momentum. So second part, final momentum equals to m into v. So m into 0. No need to put the value of m here, because ultimately your answer will come 0. So 0, or you can write 0 kg meter per second. Okay, come to third part. What they are asking? retardation caused. And what did I tell you? What is retardation? Retardation is negative acceleration. So acceleration formula is v minus u upon t. And what is t here? T is time, but the value of time is not given in the question anywhere. You can see. So we have to apply some other formula. We have been given the value of distance. This value of distance been given to us. So this we can use. So it's better we apply the third equation of motion, v square minus u square equals to 2as. So what is v? 0 square, u 100 square, a, what is value of a? We have to find out. And s is 2 centimeter, so you have to convert into meter. Now here minus 100 into 100 equals to a by 25, or you can write a is equals to 250000 meter per second square, and a is coming negative because the velocity of the body is decreasing. Okay, this is acceleration, but they are asking retardation. Retardation is negative acceleration, or you can write minus 250000, and it will be 250000 meter per second square. Now what they are asking in the fourth part, resistive force exerted by a wooden block. Resistive force means retarding force. The same formula we will apply, Newton's second law of motion, m equals to a. So what is m here? M is, what is the value of m? We have written 50 gram. 50 upon 1000 into minus 250000, and these three zeros will be cancelled, and we will get 12500 minus sign, and the answer is coming in Newton. And why the answer is coming negative? Because the force is retarding force. Okay, come to question number 10. A car is moving with a uniform velocity 30 meter per second. So u equals to 30 meter per second. It is stopped in 2 seconds. So t equal to 2 seconds. Since it is stopped, so it means final velocity will be 0. By applying a force. Now here the value of force is given, but you have to put a negative sign before 1500. Why? Because the force is actually making the body stop. Now calculate the change in momentum. Now what is the formula for second equation of motion? This is the formula. Now they are asking for what is the change in momentum. This is called change in momentum, mv minus mu. So what you have to do, simply take t to the other side. Okay, so f into t, this will be change in momentum. Now what is the value of force? It is minus 1500 and time 2, so it's coming minus 3000 kilogram meter per second. So this is answer number 10th, A part. Now what is the second part? Retardation. We have to find out retardation. Okay, so retardation, we have to find acceleration first, v minus u upon t. So what is v here? 0 minus 30 upon time is 2 and is coming minus 15 meter per second square. So retardation will be minus a, or you can write minus 15. It will be plus 15 meter per second square. Then mass of the car. So we will apply Newton's second law of motion formula. F is equals to ma. F is minus 1500. Mass we have to calculate. Acceleration is minus 15. So if you calculate, m is coming 1500 upon 15, minus and minus are cancelled, so it's coming 100 kg. So this is complete solution of question number 10. Thank you.